path exports. We'll see the below 25k and above 25k. This is the Excel path, Excel automation. So I have a product Excel product dot XLSX has all the details. So what is here? The thing is, so just filter data, sort by the numbers. So all the above 25 or 25k, all the above 25k and below 25k, it should be a color like a something like a red, and all the above 25k it is a green. Okay, that is a one thing. And what you have to do, you have to copy this one and create a one more sheet called below 25k and paste here. And this is one thing, you have to paste this one into here 25k and above 25k. Okay, copy the above 25k values and paste here. So if you already know about this how to do it, this manual work in the automation, so you can skip this video, we can close this video. So if you don't know, so just we will create a both will together we will finish this work. Okay, so what we have to do, so we have to change the colors. So two things, one is first change the colors. Okay, so in the product sheet, and filter 25k and filter above 25k and write to no sheet. Okay. So this is a three steps basically. So let's take a one small sequence or workflow, that flowchart, anything. So just drag this Excel application scope and browse the application which you want to work with. So and read range, just drag the read range. And what is the sheet name? Is a product is a sheet name. Okay, and empty, so that it will give the entire data, whole data. Data is nothing but a product dt. Okay, something like that, some data table. Okay, once we get the product data table, so what we have to do, so we will do first thing is the for each row. So you have so many methods to do it, so we will follow one method. Okay, product dt, and within that we have to loop each and every line. So while repeating each and every line, so we have to check the E2, next time E3, next time E4, like that. Okay, so once we get the value by using the read cell and check whether it is above 25,000 or below 25,000 and change the color. So to iterate each and every line, so I am using the one small variable called I is one variable. I am taking integer into 32, and here I am by default I am passing the value 2. Okay, so that is a value 2, so it will start from the 2. Okay, so in the for each row activity, so I am increasing the value at the end, I equal to I plus 1. Okay, now we have a value each and every row in the I value, so which row, the row number basically. Okay, so what we have to do, so we have to read the cell E2 means I, E3 EI like that. Okay, because I is incremented every time, right? So to read the data from the particular cell, there is a read cell, just drag and drop the read cell in the above. So what is the product name? So product name is this one. Product name is this is sheet name. Basically sheet name is a product name. And what is that? E plus I, but this I is an integer, so that's why it is unable to convert that into the string. Just use a toString. Okay, now it is a first time it is I1, I2, I3, I4 like that. So just create a one more variable to get the price. Okay, price. Okay, that is a string, it will come automatically. So if drag this one, if C int, I am converting the price, the general variable, to the integer. So if it is a below 25,000, then we have to set the color. Okay, color, type the color. We have a set range color. Okay, set range color, and what you have to pass here is the sheet name. Sheet name you have to pass, and the range. So what is the range? E plus I dot toString. Okay, I dot toString. Okay, so what is the color you want to pass? If it is a less than 250, color dot red. That is a red we have to set. The same thing I am copying this one and pasting here in the else part, and for this I am just changing the color dot green. Okay, so if it is a not less than 25,000, that's it. This is the if conditions. Once we update, that first part is done, changing the colors. Okay, done. So what is the next one? Filter. So okay, we will filter. So the same for each loop, just collapse this one. This is just changing colors. Okay, now use the filter option. Filter data table is there. Filter data table, just drag the filter data table here, and in the filter wizard, use the input is a product dt and output is a below 25k underscore dt. That is already, that is not there, just you have to create a control K and create it. So what you want to do this? So this is the price is a column name. If the price is less than 25,000, then create that one. Okay, so after we get the output file, just right line, right range. So right range, create a new column called below 25k. Okay, and what is that? Below 25k dt. The same thing, this same thing I am copying and pasting, paste, and same thing I am copying here and pasting for the above, basically. Okay. So browse and remove. So the same thing, remove. Okay, now instead of this, so I can create a one more column above 25k. As it is a variable, you should not allow spaces, basically. Above 25k. Above 25k. Okay, so let's run it. So this is our, I'm just removing these things and all. So I'm ordering by this one. Yeah, now it's a zigzag only. Okay, now just run this bot, we'll see. So what is basically the output is. So currently we have only, bot is running. Currently we have only one sheet log like a product. Okay, bot is going to run. It should not take, it is, see, it is changing the colors, red, green, like that. So after that it is pasting that. Okay, it is pasting everything is perfect, but the thing is what we forgot. So in the right range we have to add the headers also. So if you put the add the headers, it will add the headers. Okay, so let me run again. See, let me run again. It will just add the headers. That's it. Okay, I saved. Run the bot again. So this is a one small use case. So based on the numbers, so we have to change the, based on the values we have to change the colors of this one and create the filters. Okay, thanks for watching. So this is a Excel path. Please subscribe.